everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be playing with a ton of new makeup. I have got loads of stuff to try out today. So I've got the brand new, I think this is pretty new. It's not like brand new, but it's new to me. I got the Caliente palette from Artist Couture today. I've got some new mascara. Basically, if you saw my last video, the BoxyCharm unboxing, I am going to be using that makeup today. So I've got the new Tarte Maneater mascara, a MAC lipstick. I really want to use this right here. This is a metallic liquid shadow. Oh my gosh, she's stunning. I've got some brushes and a palette, like a face palette, and a new powder to try out. So we've got a lot of new things. Let's get started. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome, amazing family. And I'll have my Instagram linked right up here and in the description if you want to check me out and give me a follow over on Instagram. I would really appreciate it. We're still in winter time, but it is the new year, so we're doing some New Year's fun stuff. But let's jump into lip makeup. Okay, so for primer today, oh wait, I want to do my eyes. I'm gonna do my eyes first today because I've never actually used an Artist Couture palette. I have used plenty of the Diamond Lights finishers. I do believe these are meant to be highlighters, but I use them as like an all over the lid kind of thing, and I love them so much. I've never actually used one of the palettes from Artist Couture. If you don't know, Artist Couture is made by our own Mac Daddy here on, I believe he has a YouTube channel, or maybe he has just an Instagram, but he is a fantastic makeup artist, and I'm super excited to have one of his palettes. I'm just using some Tarte Shape Tape as concealer to prime the eyes. So, as in one of my other videos, I said that a few of my friends are coming over to move out my old couch. That has officially been done. The new couch is gone. It's been gone for about 2 or 3 days, and I'm just sitting in a recliner in the living room. But things are starting to come together, so I'm super duper excited. Today I'm actually getting a piece in the mail. It is a chair, and I actually got it from Amazon, believe it or not. So I'm actually really excited about that. So I think it'll go really nicely with the room. Okay, so for the eyes today, I am going to be using this palette right here. Here is what she looks like. She is very pretty, a lot of bright colors, but I don't want to do anything too crazy because I do still want to use this for, like, I don't know, I think I might want to do like the whole lid this, or I could do like a wing with this. I'm not entirely sure. We'll see. But I am going to be trying out these brushes today as well. These are by Crown. These are 5-eye brushes. So I am going to take this one right here. It's just a nice fluffy blending brush. It doesn't have like a name or anything. And I think I'm gonna go into this shade right here. I'm just gonna be super duper light with it because I don't want it to be too pigmented. I just want to kind of, she's pigmented. I just want to give like a nice, just a first wash of color here. But this is really blending out super duper nicely so far. I do like this brush as well. I have a feeling that it is just a tiny bit too dense for what I normally use. I normally use like Morphe brushes, and they're a little more like loose, which is great for me. I feel like this brush, it is good, but I feel like it's just a tiny bit more dense than ones that I would normally use. So I feel like it's making the pink extra pink, but that's just the kind of brush. It's no one's fault that it's like that. Like, it's totally fine. Just diffuse it a little bit up here. Oh, that is such a nice shade. That's really pretty. I am gonna grab a normal brush really quick, like one of my normal brushes, just because I want to do a little bit on the outer corner, but I don't have a new brush here. Like, one of these doesn't really seem like it would be useful for the outer corner, so I'm gonna use this one, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here, this brown. We're just gonna deepen up the outer corner with the brown. Wow, that's really pretty. Oh my goodness. Like, that first shade, the pink shade, it worked super well, but then this brown shade just blends so well into it. Like, I really am digging this, and I don't know, I feel like it has like a really good like it just plays nicely with the other shade. I don't know, I really like that. Well, I am thoroughly obsessed with this. That is so, so pretty. And then I think that's all I'm gonna do for this right now, because I really, really, really want to use this as well. This is by the brand Eloise. I don't know how to really say it, but it is a metallic topper, like a metallic shadow. And I want to put this on the lid. Oh bitch. I know New Year's Eve is already come and gone, but like if I would have had this for New Year's, I 100% would have used this for New Year's Eve. I know I did it too much on this side. This eye over here is super duper hooded, like crazy hooded. This one is too, but this one is a lot more. So like I feel like I have to like really do a lot more on this side. So whenever I close it, it looks super weird. But when I open it and look straight forward, it looks fine. I love that so much. So now I'm actually gonna go back in to this palette and pick up that brown shade one more time, just to go over any kind of spots, just to blend them together, just because you don't want to have a harsh line. Okay, and on to the face. We're gonna do that next. For primer, I'm just gonna use this right here today. This is by First Aid Beauty. It is the Ultra Repair Hyaluronic Hydrating Primer. Love this stuff. And for foundation today, I'm actually going to use, I've really been loving this. I've had it for a while actually, but I have used it a few times. It's the Thrive Causemetics Buildable Blur CC Cream. I've really been enjoying this. I don't know, I feel like it is just a really, really nice CC cream if you're into stuff like this. I think that you would really like it. And it has SPF 35 already in it, so that's good. What are your goals for 2021? Like, I know that we still have this situation going on in the world. I don't want to say it because I don't know if I can say it on YouTube, but you know, it begins with a C, if you know what I mean. It took over the world last year, so I know that's still going on. The only thing that I'm just praying for is travel, just at least a little bit. Just because, you know, like my boyfriend does live in Italy, and that's where he's from, and he had to go back last March, so I haven't seen him since March. Obviously, I want everything to be safe, but I know the vaccines are coming out, and I think that's great. I don't know, I just hope that there is at least a little bit of travel this year. That's just one thing that I'm hoping for, because I just want either my boyfriend to be able to come back to America, or for me to go to Italy. I wouldn't care which one. I mean, if he came to America, he'd be able to stay longer. If I went to Italy, I'd only be able to stay 2 weeks because of my regular job. So that's as long as I'd be able to stay. But if he came back to America with his ESTA, he could stay for at least 3 months, which would be great. Okay, so that part is done. I am going to go ahead and set my under eyes just a little bit. I am going to try this Ofra banana powder. I've seen people use banana powder in the past, but I really don't know if this is going to work for my skin tone because it is super duper yellow. I'm afraid it's gonna make my under eyes look really dark. No, not too bad. I feel like it is a little too yellow for me. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. I thought it was gonna be a lot worse, but I still think it looks a tiny little bit too yellow, but maybe not. I'll continue to try it and see, but so far, it's not bad. I thought it was gonna make my under eyes look crazy dark because, I don't know, I'm usually more of like, I have a cool undertone, so anything that is like, I don't know, like banana powder, I feel like that's for people with more of like an olive skin tone or like a warm undertone, so it doesn't look too bad on me. I thought it was gonna look awful, but that's nice. Next, bronzer. So I've got a new bronzer to try today. This is by the brand True and Luscious. I don't know. It's by the brand True and Luscious. This also came in my BoxyCharm last video. And then it's a bronzing and a highlighting palette. So I'm going to go into this bronzer right here. It's called Good Fortune. I think, is that the lighter of the two? I think it is. I'm gonna go into this one right here. The other day, I placed a huge online Ulta order, and I got tons of new things to try out. A lot of new drugstore stuff. So like I got like the e.l.f. camo, like the CC camo cream or whatever it is. I got that. I got the new NYX lipsticks, like lip glosses that are going crazy viral on TikTok. I got some more NYX stuff. Okay, that bronzer wasn't too bad. Wow, my hair. It's hair washing day, so my hair is not crazy dirty because I have super duper dry skin and my scalp is crazy dry, so I only wash my hair once a week anyways, so it doesn't look super duper dirty, but trust me, it is. So today is also hair washing day, so after I finish this I have to take it off and wash my hair. So but that bronzer was actually pretty nice. I do quite like the bronzer. I'm gonna go ahead and use this, oh, blush. I'm gonna use this right here. It's called Royal Flush. So I'm gonna try that out and see how I like it. It seems like it's gonna match the eye. Oh, that's a lot of fallout for blush. I don't know if you can see that, but y'all, that's really pretty. Like, I wasn't expecting to like that much, but that's really, really pretty. I like that blush a lot. And I do like the bronzer as well. Okay, all right. Now we're gonna do a highlight within this same palette. For highlight, I'm gonna go into this one right here, and it is called Heaven Sent. Hopefully this won't be too dark. I think it's actually a tiny bit too light, because when I look forward, I can see like a stripe, but it's not like too dark of a stripe. I think it actually might be a tiny bit too light, because I did, well, the bronzer is making me look a little more tan than I actually am, but I actually quite like that. You guys, this palette has very much surprised me. I did not think it was gonna be like this. I love this blush so much. I like the highlight, and I don't know, my skin looks really good, and like the bronzer, I like this palette quite a lot. I'm 100% gonna keep using this. I love it when things just work out. I'm gonna do my eyebrows quickly off camera, and then I'll be right back. All right. So I did my eyebrows, and I did go back under my waterline, or my lower lash line, just with the Caliente palette again, and I just used the brown shade again for the lower lash line. So that's basically it for the eyes. I'm going to go ahead and throw on some mascara. For mascara, I'm going to try out this one right here. This is by Tarte. It's the Maneater mascara. I got two different mascaras to try, so should I do like one eye with one mascara and one eye with the other mascara? I might do that. So here's the other one. It's called the It's So Big mascara. I'm gonna try one on one eye and the other on the other eye and see which one I like the best. So I'm gonna do the Tarte mascara on my right eye and the It's So Big on my left eye. So here's one coat of that. I got it all over my face. But there's one coat of the Maneater mascara, and I'm actually really, really happy that I didn't get any on my lids. I do have a problem with getting mascara on my lids because, again, I do have such hooded lids, so they always just kind of fall down over my eyelid, so I end up getting mascara all over them. So now I'm going to try this one. This one is quite a wet formula. The Tarte one does seem to be a little wet as well, but this one's like super duper wet. Alright, and there's one coat of this one right here. I don't like this one at all. I don't like that. I feel like this does literally nothing for my lashes. So 100% the Tarte one is the winner out of these two. So I'm actually going to go over that with a little bit of this one, and hopefully I can fix it. Okay, so I did two coats on each eye, and I have got to give it to this one. This one's so much better, so I'm actually really happy with this mascara. I will 100% keep using this. I still prefer my Marc Jacobs At Lash mascara, but this one is actually really, really good, and I'm super into it. I think it made my eyelashes look really black. It made them look longer, so I'm like really into that. So that's good. I think I'm just gonna leave it with top lashes because sometimes I do bottom lashes and then I get a few comments being like, it looks better when you just do your top lashes, which I kind of agree with. I like my bottom lashes done sometimes, but like I don't know, I think I'm just gonna leave it with the top lashes today, so. And now all we have left to do is lipstick. So I don't think the lipstick is gonna match my eyes at all. So this is the MAC matte liquid matte regular lipstick, and it's in the shade Russian Red. And I do want to, it looks really pretty, but I have a feeling it's not going to match because I do have quite a lot of pink going on up here. So I hope it'll look alright. If I did like a full-on just brown eye, then I feel like it would work so much better, but okay, I think this is as good as I'm gonna get it. Because normally I would use a red lip liner, but I don't have a red lip liner right now. But I love this lipstick. It is so freaking pretty, and I think it goes fine actually with the eyes. It is quite a bold look. It is very glam. So this would have been perfect for like New Year's Eve, but I did literally nothing for New Year's Eve, so. But anyways, you guys, here is the finished look that we did end up creating with the full face of basically brand new makeup. Not 100% full face, but almost. You guys, I have so many thoughts. I'm not gonna lie, I think I look smoking hot right now. Like, I think I look so good. I'm really into this. This palette, I love this palette. I don't know what it is. I only used 2 shades out of it, but I will 100% continue to use this palette. I love it. I think it is so good. It's very pigmented. It just blends so well. That brown shade blended so nicely into that like first pink shade up top here. Love it, love it, love it. This banana powder, I was actually really surprisingly happy by, you know. My eyes don't look super yellow under here or anything. It does look nice and set. It looks pretty. So I'm actually really into this, and I will continue to try to use this and see what I think about it, because I am in front of a bunch of lights and stuff, so it could be washing it out. If I go to my bathroom and look, maybe I do look really yellow under here. I'll have to really check and see. But so far, I really like it. This palette right here, y'all, this one shocked me the most out of everything. Like, I love the bronzer. This blush is beautiful, and then the highlight was really nice too. So like, I need to look more into this brand and see what it's all about, because it looks really nice, and I love how my makeup looks right now, so I'm super into this. The brushes, I only got to use 2 of them. Well, technically 3 of them. I use this one as my crease brush. I use this one for my lower lash line, and then I use this one as a concealer brush to like clean up my lipstick a little bit, because it was looking real bad before I cleaned it up. They don't even look that great now, but you should have saw it before I cleaned it up. So these are good. These are really good. I mean, they're just brushes. I genuinely think that you can get just as good brushes from like Morphe for $3. This right here, oh, I love it so much. The metallic liquid shadow, I am so obsessed with the way this looks. I love it to literal pieces. I am obsessed with it, and I will 100% keep on using it because it's so pretty. I got a glitter right there, but it's so nice, and I love the way it looks on my eyes. And then this mascara, you guys, I was actually really impressed with this mascara. The other one, the first one that we used, this one right here, is a big no. I do not like this one at all, but this one right here is really good. So I will continue to keep using this because I genuinely thought it was great. Like, my lashes look awesome, so love that. And then this lipstick, I love this lipstick. I don't particularly think it goes with this eye very well, but I will continue to use this lipstick later on in the future whenever I do more of like a brown in a look where I can easily wear red. So, but I do like it. I think it's really nice, and I haven't used a MAC lipstick in literally years. So yeah, you guys, those have been my first impressions. If you have tried anything that I tried today, what are your thoughts? And did you like it? Or did you not like it? Let me know in the comments, because I would love to know that. But I really hope that you did enjoy the video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me, and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post when I post them, click the little bell down the bottom there, and make sure you set it to all so that YouTube knows that you want to see my videos. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!